Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week 2024. This brief video will show you how to complete your abstract co-author financial disclosure. Financial disclosures are due from all authors by 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, December 20th. Disclosures can be submitted at ddw2024.abstractcentral.com. Upon successful submission of an abstract, all co-authors will receive an email from program@ddw.org alerting them that they have been included in an abstract author string. This message will provide instructions on how to complete disclosure by visiting the abstract submission site. Co-authors have two options to access the site. The first option is to click the link provided in the confirmation email that will take an author directly to the disclosure form. No login information is required if using this link. We'll now walk through the second option co-authors have, which is to log into their account at the abstract submission site, located at ddw2024.abstractcentral.com. Login credentials are provided in the email message sent to co-authors, but if you don't know your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. Upon logging into the site, you may be prompted by a pop-up message to complete your financial disclosure. Click OK to proceed directly to the disclosure form. You'll now see the disclosure form, where you'll need to answer all questions marked by a red asterisk. Authors must either disclose their financial relationships with ineligible entities or state that no relationships exist. Authors with commercial relationships must list the name of the organizations and the benefits received over the past 24 months. After you've answered all required questions marked by a red asterisk, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Your disclosure is now complete, so you may log out or navigate to another page at the abstract submission site. You can edit your disclosure anytime before the December 20th deadline. To edit your disclosure, log into the submission site and click the drop-down menu under your name in the top right corner of the page. Select Disclosures to return to the disclosure form. For technical assistance, please contact ScholarOne Customer Support. Any other program-related questions can be directed to DDW Administration at program@ddw.org. Thank you again for your interest in DDW 2024.